Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're taking an exclusive deep dive into one of the most highly anticipated luxury sedans set to redefine the segment, the 2026 Jaguar XJ. The return of this legendary British icon promises to blend heritage with futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and electrifying performance. Let's start with the mesmerizing front exterior. The 2026 Jaguar XJ wears a bold and elegant face, highlighted by its new ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, giving it a futuristic and aggressive stance. The massive blacked-out grille, deeply sculpted and flanked by sharp air intakes, isn't just for show. It adds character and aids aerodynamics. Jaguar's designers have given the bonnet a beautifully sculpted look with subtle power bulges that hint at the beast that lies beneath. Together, these elements create a front fashion that's athletic, contemporary, and distinctly Jaguar. Moving to the rear, the 2026 XJ is all about sleek sophistication. The standout feature is the ultra-thin LED taillight strip stretching across the width of the car, seamlessly blending into the flowing body lines. The subtle integrated spoiler and aggressively styled rear diffuser not only enhance the sporty character, but also improve downforce. Dual exhaust outlets, tastefully integrated, add a touch of raw power. And just like the front, the rear design masterfully balances modern minimalism with a performance-driven attitude. Step inside, and the cabin of the new XJ is nothing short of a tech-savvy sanctuary. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and open pore would combine to create an ambiance of opulence. The center stage is dominated by a curved OLED display that flows elegantly across the dashboard, merging infotainment and digital instrumentation. Expect advanced haptic controls, customizable ambient lighting, and massage seats to make every journey first class. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the 2026 XJ thrilling performance. Rumor has it, Jaguar is offering both fully electric and hybrid variants. The flagship electric model could pack dual motors delivering over 500 horsepower, propelling this luxury sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. With luxury, design, and advanced tech comes an equally premium price tag. While nothing official has been announced, industry insiders suggest the new Jaguar XJ will start around $90,000 for the base model, with high-spec electric variants reaching $120,000 or more. Finally, when can you expect to see this beauty on the road? All signs point to a late 2025 unveiling, with first customer deliveries starting in early to mid-2026. Jaguar is reportedly in the final stages of testing, fine-tuning everything to deliver a car that embodies innovation, elegance, and raw Jaguar spirit.